Welcome to qnawire.
Our question says that a particle, which I call M1, has a mass of 200 grams, has its initial speed v1I of 3 meters per second, and it undergoes a collision with another particle at rest of a mass M2, 400 grams. What is the magnitude of the impulse on particle 1 in collision if it's A, elastic, and B, inelastic? Okay, so for part A, if it's elastic, then the impulse, to get the impulse, we need to know the final momentum, or the final velocity, excuse me. So the final velocity, v1f, is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by m1 plus m2, and you're going to multiply this ratio by the initial velocity of the particle 1, v1I. So this equals minus 1.00 meters per second. So with this, we can now calculate the impulse. J is equal to m1 times the change in velocity. So it's going to be v1 final minus v1 initial. Plug those values into this relationship, and this comes out to be negative 0.800 newtons times seconds. Okay, now for part B, it wants us to do the same thing, except now it's inelastic. So we need to first recalculate v1 final. It's going to equal m1 divided by m1 plus m2 times v1 initial. Plug these values into the calculator, and this comes out to equal 1 meter per second. We can now calculate the new impulse. It's going to be m1 times the new v1 final minus v1 initial, which equals 0.400 meter per second. We can box that in as our solution to part B.